I make this recipe for my family when I'm short on time. For this recipe, we're going to add a little water to the pan, wait for it to boil. When it's boiling, I'm going to add a pack of instant noodles. I'm going to cook this pasta very well until I reach this point here. Look. Arrived at that point, I will be cooking next. Now I'm going to cut a chicken breast into cubes here. Add a little butter to a frying pan. Place 3 crushed garlic cloves. And we are going to braise this garlic very well. After sautéing the garlic, I'm going to add the chicken, mix it up a bit, and season it with a little spoonful of salt. A little spoonful of black pepper. And we're going to seal this chicken very well until it's like this here, guys. When it's at this point here, we'll be reserving it. In the same frying pan, I'm going to add a little butter, 3 cloves of garlic, sauté this garlic very well, and add our pasta, mix it very well. In another container, we will break 2 eggs. Season with a spoonful of salt, a spoonful of black pepper, and we will hit it very well with the fork. Add a little olive oil to the skillet. Add our omelette. And with a spatula we will mix it very well until we cook all this egg. Now let's set it aside, add butter again, add our chicken, sauté just a little longer, and then mix everything. Now I'm going for the parsley and chives, but it's totally to taste. I'll give it a little mix, put a spoonful of soy sauce. And just mix it up. And our pasta was ready, and it was super delicious, guys. This noodle is perfect for dinner. I'm sure everyone will love it. So if you liked it, already share it and see you next time.